In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste objects in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. When you're working on diagrams, flowcharts, or architecture maps in Draw.io, being able to quickly move and duplicate objects is essential. Instead of recreating shapes from scratch or dragging things around awkwardly, you can rely on a few simple keyboard shortcuts that work just like they do in most other applications. On Windows and Linux, you'll use Ctrl plus a letter. On a Mac, you'll use the Command key plus a letter. The three shortcuts you need are Cut, Copy, and Paste. Cut is Ctrl plus X on Windows or Linux, and Command plus X on a Mac. Copy is Ctrl plus C or Command plus C. Paste is Ctrl plus V or Command plus V. Here's how this works in practice. First, click once on the object or shape you want to work with. You should see selection handles appear around it, which tells you it's active. If you want to move that object from one location to another, use Cut. Press the shortcut for Cut, then click where you want it to go in the diagram area and press the shortcut for Paste. The object will disappear from its original location and reappear in the new one. If you want to duplicate a shape instead of moving it, use Copy. Select the shape, press the Copy shortcut, then press Paste. A duplicate of your original object will appear, usually slightly offset, so you can see that there are now two versions. This is especially useful for repeating elements, like multiple steps in a process flow or repeated icons in a network diagram. You can also copy and paste multiple objects at once. Click and drag to draw a selection box around several shapes, or hold Shift and click each object you want to include. Once they're all selected, use the same Copy or Cut shortcut, then paste them wherever you need. Draw.io keeps the relative positions of all selected items, which makes it easy to move whole sections of a diagram. These shortcuts also work across diagrams. You can copy elements from one Draw.io diagram in Confluence or Jira, switch to another diagram, and paste them there, as long as both diagrams are open in your browser. By getting comfortable with Cut, Copy, and Paste in Draw.io, you'll speed up your workflow, keep your diagrams consistent, and make layout changes with far less effort.